We continue to grow, and we're able to self-fund our growth until 2004, where we decided to take aim at the corporate marketplace. We took $20 million from ABS Capital Partners in a recap, and so the ABS team, which they're based in Baltimore, I think a lot of them help us think through how can we leverage this set of capabilities to go out and win business with Fortune 500 retailers and manufacturers, which we began to do. We also set the course to go public, and the public IPO process, very, very calm and tepid markets in 04, really not a lot of activity. Same in 2005, and we had a series of very important meetings on, really should we go for it or not. At the time we're a $60–70 million company, $6–7 million of EBITDA, but we're growing and we're best in class. We're winning business. The buyers, really enjoy the service. We have a prestigious roster of clients. We have client concentration, which is really a sin of a growth company. You've got to diversify. But we said, look, we're really a unique offering. We can articulate that to institutional investors. We're going to go for this. And we filed in the fall of 2005, continued to grow our business quite well in the quarter before we went out and priced our offering in February 2006. I think shortly after Google was sort of opened the marketplace back up. And so the IPO for us was a branding event as much as anything. A branding event. We did access additional growth capital. I think the primary proceeds of about $60–65 million. Good research backing with a handful of smaller firms, but with research credibility. And then from there we set to grow our corporate business, which has blossomed. Today we're about 4 times the size, both in revenue and profitability, as compared to the time of our IPO. So it's been a very important part of our development, but it's a beginning, not an end. And the irony of an IPO, inside owners is, it's really not a liquidity event. It's probably even less liquid because of Rule 144 and other constraints around the IPO and public SEC requirements. So we've been very patient. We're a business that's got high inside ownership today, long-term focused, and we've had the pleasure of working with more and more clients as a result of having the capacity and the branding opportunity of an IPO.